So, hello everyone. I'm going to take a topic which is Olap. Olap stands for Online Analytical Processing, which is majorly used in data warehouse. We all know that what is meant by data warehouse is data warehouse is used to store the plenty amount of data for retrieving and some other processes. Let me enter into the Olab. Let me see the definition. OLAB is an approach to answer multidimensional analytical queries. It is also swiftly in computing. So, OLAB is mainly used for the secured amount of data processing, and OLAB is also used in multidimensional data model. So, OLAB servers are mainly used in business reporting and marketing management reporting, business process management, budgeting. So, some of the official data are handled by OLAB. Then, let me see the types of OLAB. There are four types of OLAB available in this OLAP servers. First one is relational OLAP, second one is multi-dimensional OLAP, third is hybrid, and fourth is specialized SQL servers. Let me explain, elaborate. First one is relational OLAP. So we all know that the word relation. So OLAP servers are placed between relational backend servers and client frontend tools. So it will relate both backend and frontend. It will retrieve the data from backend and give it to the users or clients. So it is used in both backend and frontend. It acts as it is a relation between them, and it this relational OLAB has three main processes. First one is implementing to aggregation navigation logic and optimization for each DBMS backend. It will optimize each database backend, and it has some additional tools and service uh, for some of the needed process. And second one is multi-dimensional OLAP. Shortly we used the word MOLAB for multi-dimensional OLAP. So it is uses in array based multi-dimensional storage engine for the purpose of multi-dimensional views of the data. So using this multi-dimensional OLAP, we can view the data in different dimensions. We all know that 2D and 3D data. 2D means two dimensional and 3D means 3D three dimensional representation. So using this multi-dimensional data, we can see the data different dimensions that we want. So third one is hybrid OLAP. What is mean by hybrid OLAP is it is nothing but an combination of both relational OLAP and multidimensional OLAP. Uh, it offers higher scalability of ROLAB and faster computations of MOLAB. So that's all about hybrid OLAB. And fourth one is specialized SQL servers. Specialized SQL servers provide a advanced query language for supporting a SQL queries over the star and snowflake schemas. We all know that star and snowflake schema. What is mean by star and snowflake schema is star schema is used to store the data in tables using dimension and fact table, and snowflake schema is also containing the fact and dimensional table, but also containing the subdimensional table. And let me enter into an OLAP operations. There are five OLAP operations. They are first operation is rollab, second drill down and slice and dice, and fifth one is pivot. Let me explain it briefly. First one is rollab. What is mean by rollab? Rollab performs aggregation on a data cube in any of the following ways. There are two approaches for rollab operation. First one is by climbing up a concept hierarchy for a dimension, and second one is by dimension reduction. And the below picture denotes the second method, dimension reduction. How we reduce the dimension is, see the above side of the data cube, which contains the four cities, Chicago, New York, Toronto, and Vancouver. So these four cities will be reduced into two countries. Majorly, USA contains the Chicago and New York City, and Canada contains the Toronto and Vancouver City. So we will reduce the data location, cities into countries. So this is the roll-up operation. Second one is drill down. Drill down is a reverse operation of Olap. It performs by either of the following ways. First way is by stepping down a concept hierarchy for a dimension, and second one is by reduction a new dimension. We are using the first operation. It is nothing but an opposite, it is an opposite approach of roll-up operation. Say for instance, look at this below picture. See the time quadrant, which has q1, q2, q3 and q4 attribute, and we will elaborate the q1 attribute into 4 months. 4 months. Similarly, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 has the 12 months. So we will elaborately view this four attributes, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. And third operation is slicing. The slice operation selects one particular dimension from a given cube and provides a new cube. Yes, let's see the diagram. If you want to view a particular amount of data separately, if you want that particular amount of data for the another kind of process, we will copy the data and store it into another data cube. For this kind of purpose, we are using slicing operation. So here we will slice the particular amount of data which is present above the data cube. So we will remove the first four values of the data cube, which is 605, 825, 14 and 400. So fourth operation is dicing. Dicing selects two or more dimensions from a data cube and provides a new subcube. So we are okay. We all understood it. Let's see the below diagram, which has the data cube, and it will form another data cube with some kind of data, with the separation of data. So I want the small amount of data in that particular big data cube. So I took that particular amount of data cube and I stored it into then another data cube. And final operation is pivot. Pivot is nothing but it is a rotation. If you want to see a data in a different rotation, we will rotate the data using pivot, and we will see the data elaborately. So this is all about the Olap operations and types of Olap. Thank you.